Good afternoon to all. Myself R.K. Chaudhary, lecturer MOM, Government Polytechnic, Bhubaneswar. Today I will discuss about the topic Industrial Legislation 6th semester and about the Factories Act 1948. In meaning of factory, in simple words, a factory is a premises where on 10 or more persons are engaged, if power is used, or 20 or more persons are engaged if power is not used in a manufacturing process. This is a simple meaning of the factory. Then factory is defined according to section 2M of the Act. It means any premises including the precedent thereof whereon 10 or more workers are working or were working on any day of the preceding 12 months and in any part of which manufacturing process is being carried on with the aid of power or is ordinarily so carried on, or whereon 20 or more workers are working or were working on any day of the preceding of 12 months and in any part of which a manufacturing process is being carried on without the aid of power or is ordinarily carried on. Then this is the definition. After that, there is different terms used in the Factory Act according to section 2. What do you mean by adult? Adult is a person who has completed his age 18 year of age. Those are completed 18 year age known as adult. What is adolescent? Adolescent means a person who has completed his 15 year age but not completed 18 year age. That means 15 to 18 years. Then child is who means a person who has not completed 15 years, below 15 years is the child. Then young person is means who has persons who is either a child or an adult, that is 14 to 18 years is there. Then Factories Act in India. First in Factory Act is enacted or passed in the Parliament in the 1881. This act is basically designed to protect children and to provide few measures, health and safety of worker. Firstly, the Factory Act give the health and safety of worker. Then this law was applicable only those factory which employed 100 or more workers. Then in 1891, another Factory Act was passed. After that, so extended to the factories employs 50 or more workers. Previously is the 100 workers, then it is reduced to 50 workers. Then what is the objective of the act? The main objective of the act is enacted primarily with the object of protecting the workers employed in factories against industrial and occupational hazard. Whatever hazards, accident, any mishap in the factory, this is first is protected in the Factories Act. Then number 2 is the for that purpose it seeks to impose upon the owner or the occupier certain obligations, means duties, to protect the worker and to secure for them employment in condition conducting to their health and safety. Basically discuss, morely emphasize on the health and safety in the factory. Then in the Factories Act includes basically these things will be covered. First one is the health, then safety provision, then welfare, then working hour of adults and employment of women and duties and power of factory inspector. And first one is the health. Under the health provision, these are the provision are included from section 11 to section 20. Section 11 discuss about cleanness. Section 12 discuss about disposal of waste and effluents, ventilations and temperatures, then dust and fumes, artificial humidification, overcrowding, then lighting, drinking water, latrines and urinals and spittoons. These are the things are covered under the health provisions under Factory Act. These are discussed in the next slide. Then first we have to discuss about the cleanness. Then in cleanness, the first point is the working conditions should be clean and safe. Then where the worker are working, the condition should be working environment should be clean and safe. Then clean the floor at least once in a week by washing or by some effective methods. Then effective means of drainage shall be provided. Whitewashing every 14 weeks. and paint varnish every 5 years of the building or the working place. Next point is the disposal of waste and effluents. What are the waters or any disposal of the factory will be go to outside, maybe to sea or river, through different drainage facilities. Disposal of waste and effluents, follow the state government rules, and proper arrangement is there how to dispose the wastes and effluents. Then next point is the ventilations and temperature. There must be proper ventilation in the factory premises. Why ventilation is required? Suppose door and window, cross ventilation is there, door and window is there properly, and temperature is also maintained properly, because working environment should be good. Then proper level of ventilation, temperature, humidity must be maintained. Then make provision for reducing excess heat. Then process producing high temperature to be separated. Those are, suppose in AC, the outdoor unit is fit in the outside only to absorb or to exhaust the heat. If you fitted in the corridor or staircase, it may be more heat will be is there. Then next is the dust and fumes. In factory also, dust and fumes while used in the factory, effective measures should be taken to prevent inhalation, accumulation of dust and fumes. Exhaust for internal combustion engine also used for exhaust the dust and fumes. Just like in a toilet or latrines or anything else, exhaust fan is there, to other things will be outside. Then artificial humidification. How artificial humidification is there? Factories in which the humidity of the air is artificially increased, like in textile units, keep it in limit. So it must be controlled. The water used for artificial humidification to be clean in the section 15. Next slide is the overcrowding. जनगहली बा जोटा हमें कहूचे overcrowding under section 16. Overcrowding injurious to health of worker to be avoided. When there is a rush, even also you go to the पुरी मंदिर बा टेम्पल गले अत्यधिक यात्री एकाथरे पशिगले मंदिर भितर को आम कौन हो अणनिश्वास हो जाऊँ. ओवरक्राउडिंग तेणु पुलिस चेक करुच्ची, फेज वाइज छाड़ुची. ओवरक्राउडिंग इन ऑल्सो फैक्ट्री इज देयर इज ए ओवरक्राउडिंग, देयर इज ए कॉजेस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट, there is a mishap or anything will be wrong, then it is also avoided. Then capacity is there or space of worker 9.9 or 14.2 it is prescribed cubic meters for space for worker रहिया दरकार. Notice of maximum worker to be employed in a work room, what is the room size, and accordingly the worker will be working. Then exemption by the chief inspector, it may be vary from time to time. Then lighting is there. Lighting is the most important in each and factory, whether may be physical work or may be mental work. Lighting is the most important, and you know that lighting is the two source. One is artificial lighting, another is a natural lighting. Natural light through the daylight, and artificial light through the electric light. Light is created or fitted in the wall or in anything else. Sufficient lighting and suitable light in part of the factory, there must be natural light and as far as possible. Then all glazed windows and skylight used for lighting for the workroom shall be kept clean. There must be keep clean and it must be proper lighting. Formation of shadow such as extent as a cause of eye strain or risk accident to any workplace shall be prevented. Anything will be there, shadow छाई जोटा हमर पडुची सेटा हबा दरे आई ऊपर स्ट्रेन पडिवो, तेणु आम कम भूल हम, देर इज ऑल्सो चांसेस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट. देन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर इज द पीवा पानी दरकार वर्क प्लेस रे. देयर शुड बी ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. होलसमनेस मीन्स ऑल दी थिंग्स, इट मस्ट बी गुड क्वालिटीज, इट शुड नॉट बी contaminated or anything else. Then drinking points should be make drinking water. जो जगह ड्रिंकिंग वाटर बसची सेठी हमें मेंशन करा जीवो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, एंड इट शुड बी 6 मीटर फ्रॉम दी दूरे रहिया दरकार टॉयलेट, यूरिनल एंड अदर थिंग्स. देन वेयर वाटर कूलिंग फैसिलिटी इज देयर, मोर देन 250 वर्कर्स इज इन फैक्ट्री, कूलिंग वाटर प्यूरिफायर और कूलिंग इज देयर. नेक्स्ट इज द latrines and urinals. There must be is there separate for male and female. It should be properly clean and sanitation. Numbers of latrine and urinal to be prescribed by the state government according to number of employees. Then spittoons. What do you mean by spittoons? Spittoon is nothing. पिकदानी बा जो आम छेप पकाउचे बा ये डस्ट पकाउचे ये पकाउचे प्रॉपर प्लेस रे रखा जीवो स्टेयरकेस बा जो ये जगह रे सेठी स्पिटून एटा माटी पात्र हो कि तंबा पात्र हो तादरे बाली पसिकरी स्पिटून करा हेताय तेणु ता कथा विषय डिस्कशन देयर शुड बी सफिशिएंट नंबर ऑफ स्पिटून देन नो पर्सन शैल बी स्पिट विद इन प्रीमिसेस इन फैक्ट्री एणे तेणे आम छेप पकेबा नै कि ये पकेबा नै जोटा कि अपरिष्कार क्लीननेस को ये करियो हुएवर मे बी स्पिट कंट्रावेंशन जे भी करिवो 500 रुपीस फाइन सो दैट गवर्नमेंट भी बर्तन बैन करिछि छेप पकाबे ड्यू टू कोविड प्रॉब्लम्स बा कोविड-19 these things is there. Next slide. Provision regarding safety. What are the safety precautions taken by the employer as well as employees in the factory? Where the factory there must be two, one is employer and the employee. What are the safety precautions should be taken according to law? First one, the fencing of machinery. Section 21. Fencing means bada ba jo market kara haithay machine jo install kara haithay ta charikod ye kara jaithay this things is there. वर्क ऑन और नियर मशीनरी इन मोशन जो एरिया रे मशीन टा मूवमेंट होउची ताकू हमें प्रॉपर्ली गार्ड करबा बा ताकू ताठू केते मीटर दूर रहबा इट इज आल्सो प्रेस्क्राइब्ड इन दिस सेक्शन देन एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ यंग पर्सन ऑन डेंजरियस मशीन साइड रे यंग पर्सन माने काम करिया पे रेस्ट्रिक्शन बा केते डिस्टेंस रे रहबे इट इज आल्सो मेंशन देन स्ट्राइकिंग गियर ऑफ डिवाइस कटिंग ऑफ पावर सेल्फ एक्टिंग मशीन्स casing of new machinery prohibition of employment of women and children basically women and children पे cotton opener बा cotton तुड़ा बा जोठी तैयारी होची जोठी बेसी dust बा allergy आसुची so hoist and lifts are lifting machines ropes chains and lifting tackles revolving machine section 30 then provision regarding safety pressure plant floor stairs and means it is under also safety provision pits, sumps, opening in floors and others, excessive weight, protection of eyes, precaution against dangerous fumes, gases and other, precaution regarding use of portable electric light, precautions against explosive or inflammable dust, gas, जोड़ा कि highly inflammable, precaution in case of fire, most important is the fire. Fire precaution must be maintained each and every. Nowadays you know that each mall and market complex, cinema hall, everybody must maintain the fire guidelines and factory is the most important place where fire safety measures must be adopted before starting or taking permission for fire department. Then safety of building and machinery, then maintenance of building and safety officer is there. Each and every factory must appoint a safety officers. These points are discussed details. Fencing of machinery, every dangerous part must be secure fenced. The state government may be prescribe rules for further precaution. What are the other extra precaution is there? Then machines in motion, those machines are movement. Then what precautions or what are the laws? Examination of machinery motion, only specially trained adult male worker wearing tight fitting clothing. ता पाखु जो male worker, adult or experienced or trained worker से माने जाइकि चेक करिवे ये करिवे अन्य माने नो वुमेन और चाइल्ड वर्कर शुड बी अलाउड देन रेस्ट्रिक्शन क्लीनिंग एसेट्रा स्पेसिफाइड मूविंग पार्ट केते बडे पार्ट को छुइबे नै बा टच करिवे नै बा क्लीनिंग हेई परिबो नाही नेक्स्ट वन एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ यंग पर्सन ऑन डेंजरियस मशीन नो यंग पर्सन शुड बी अलाउड इन डेंजरियस मशीन अनलेस ही हैज ट्रेन्ड एंड इज अंडर द सुपरविजन हायर अथॉरिटी he can also things is there. What is the young person category? Who is the called as young person? Then 14 to 18 years age. The next point is the striking gears and devices for cutting of power. In this point, there should be a suitable striking gear etc. switch off the power so that if there is a emergency, problems can be solved. It is also extra devices used to switch off in case of emergency if the power will be more or less. Then locking devices is there, prevent accident is there. Then is the self acting machines, make sure that no person should walk in a space within 45 cm from any fixed structure which is not part of the machine, the distance is maintained. Then casing of the new machines, casing is a prevent danger, extra cover or insulation is there. For that, if they are not properly maintained by the factory or employer, the penalty is imposed. The penalty is maybe imprisonment for 3 months and fine, and both things is there. Rules making by the other rules time to time changed by the state government. Then provision of employment of women children near cotton openers. In basically for women and children, for cotton opener means textile industry basically. In this there is a restriction is there. Then hoist and lifts. Hoist and lifts basically is the material handling equipments. From shifting of equipments, raw material, anything from one place to another place. Every hoist and lift should be good condition and properly checked. The maximum load it can be carried must be clearly mentioned. The gates should be locked by interlocking safe method. It should not open in between, to be properly examined in every 6 months. Before starting the hoist and lift or carrying the goods from one place to another place or machine from one place to another place, it must be clearly examined. Then lifting machine, chains, ropes and lifting tackles. This is also another machines used for lifting of machines, either maybe crane, maybe overhead crane, maybe electric overhead crane, and also pulleys and conveyor belt. So many things is there which is transportation of materials from one place to another place. Then revolving a machine. Those machines are revolving during the operation process, and what restriction is there? Maximum safe speed must be mentioned for each machine. Speed indicated in notice should not be exceeded. Whatever the speed of the machine must be mentioned, and according to the machine is running under the proper conditions. Then pressure plants. There should be a safe working pressure on pressure plants. Effective measures should be taken that the safe working pressure is not exceeded. It is also for pressure plant. Then floors, stairs and means of access of etc. The basically staircase, passways, steps, floors must be properly constructed or properly mentioned and should be properly clean, and also it is also properly lighted. There is a chances of accident. Then pits, sumps, opening in floors etc. एगुड़ाक जोड़ाक आमर कहूचे घरे जमी पानी स्टोरेज करने सम्प करुचे बाहर सम्प करुचे टांकी रखापी घरे आमर भी सम्प करुचे बाहर पानीटा रिजर्व करने कभर ढांकुणी दौचे मैन होल जो सब अच्छी बाहर जो कराऊँच से गुड़ाक जहाँ फैक्ट्री भितर अच्छी चैम्बर गुड़ाक ताकू प्रॉपर्ली कवर करा ताकू प्रॉपर्ली सिक्योर्ड करा मेंशन करा एनश्योर करा. Then excessive weight. No person should be employed to hold more weight than the person can hold. अधिका weight तार बॉडी रो weight थार जदि अधिका weight उठेला तार मध्य भी chances of accident or anything. Maximum weight to be lifted or carried to be prescribed. Maximum weight केते नहीं परिबो जणे लोक सेटा को ऑलरेडी प्रेस्क्राइब करा हिची लॉ रे केते केजी रो ओजन रो उठेई परिबो. Then protection of eyes. Before you join in the factory or enter into the factory premises, you know that with different devices, helmet, gloves, gloves, goggles, different things will be used for protection of your body. In this eyes case, you must be use goggles for safety of your eyes. Then precaution against dangerous fumes, gas and others. Prohibited to employ worker in the place where dangerous gas fumes is present. Where the highly inflammable gas, dangerous gas, ever recently some days back Bhushan steel plant gas ये हला different ये तेणु highly inflammable gas जोड़ा को hazardous to your health or human being, so that it must be restricted. Practicable measures should be taken, removal of gas, fumes, etc. Then next point is the 17 section 36A, precaution regarding portable electric light. It should not be above 24 volt. This is under the precaution against explosive inflammable dust gas. Take measures for safety, prevent explosion of ignition of gas, fumes, etc. Provision of chokes and vents. It is also used to how to evaporate the gas. Precaution in case of fire. There should be, it is the most important in factories. Fire precaution is the most important in the factory, and there should be a separate exit for cases of fire. Fire exist. आजिकल सब बिल्डिंग आम करुचे फायर गाड़ी पशि पारुनी. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एबे नौतला आपन हेड्स ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट रे निया लागिला फायर गाड़ी गेट भंगा हेगिरी ता भीतर पसिया पे याला मेन मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट इज द टू evacuate the property as well as man. So this thing is the most important. So there should be facilities for extinguishing fire, familiarity for workers with means of escape, how to escape from the those place where fire is burning. आमे गाँव जो घर करुचे दीटा द्वार थाए गोटे दांड द्वार गोटे बाड़ी द्वार किंतु एठी आमर टाउन रे आमे जो घर करुचे गोटे बाट से बाटे पसिबा से बाटे नेक्स्ट power to require specification of defective parts, safety of building and machinery, maintenance of building, then safety officer. More than 1000 worker, there must be a safety officer must be appointed. The next provision is the welfare provision. Washing facilities for drying and clothes, facilities for sitting, fast aid appliances, canteen, restroom, shelter, lunch rooms, crates, welfare facilities. In this case, the washing facilities properly male and female worker पे clearly थिबा दरकार एवं drying clothing पे थिबा दरकार separate ये after duty is over your dress will be clothed. Then suitable for sitting arrangement बसिया पे जगह थिबा दरकार जोठी एम्प्लॉय माने काम करछन्ती काम सरला परे बसी परिबे रेस्ट नहीं परिबे नेक्स्ट ड्यूटी बा नेक्स्ट शिफ्ट पे फास्ट एड appliance must be there. 150 वर्कर थिले गोटे फास्ट एड बॉक्स थिबो 500 लोक रु अधिक थिले हमर एम्बुलेंस रूम थिबो. नेक्स्ट होची कैंटीन 250 अबव वर्कर थिले कैंटीन मस्ट बी देयर ईच एंड एवरी फैक्ट्री. शेल्टर रूम 150 वर्कर पे अबव पे शेल्टर रूम इज देयर. देन क्रेच यू नो दैट मोर देन 30 वुमेन वर्कर काम करले हमर क्रेच फैसिलिटीज देयर जोटी की स्मॉल किड्स के हम छाड़ी देगिरी क्रेच रे जिबा. देन वेलफेयर ऑफिसर इज देयर. In all the things will be look after the welfare officer more than 500 worker. Then working hour must be 48 hours in a week. A shift or day must be 9 hour अधिक होबनी एवं Sunday or any days is the weekdays বা holidays off days जोटा. Then interval 5 घंटा परे हमें आधा घंटा ब्रेक नहीं पेरे it may be 6 hour according to factory inspector. Then employment of women, provision of women in the night shift. Basically night shift रे women मान को दिया जीवनी day shift बा general shift से मान करिवे other worker मान करिवे. This timing is 6 am to 7 pm and in other cases 10 to 5 pm. Then power of factory. These are the powers. Enter factory premises at any moment, examine the premises, require inquiry into any accident things, seize or take copies of any register at any moment they can enter and check the things. Then duties, he can or she enter into any factory and he can see accompanied the police. Next, he can see accompanied by other person, necessary steps. Then in this chapter we give some assignment, objective question, what do you understand by young person, what do you mean by adult, what is factory, what is manufacturing process, what is factory inspector or who is factory inspector, explain different provisions under factory act, health, safety, welfare. These are the things. And another thing is the discuss duties and power. These are the expected questions in this chapter. Then anything will be doubt, then you can ask me in WhatsApp number is given. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार. आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती. एबे तो बदली गलानी समय, बदली गलानी जुग. से झील मानकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजना रे सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणारे जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम. एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे.
मु सफल, मु कुशली, मु सुदक्षा.